What is up, everybody? Welcome to a beautiful 79 degrees, no humidity, sunny with a breeze day. I mean, this is like this is perfection. Chef's kiss. Like, oh, insanely so good. But that is not what this is about. These are the three things, at least to me. This is my opinion. If you think I'm wrong, you can get in the comments below and if you want, I don't care. Do it. Yell at me on the comments. I'll argue with you. I'll do it. I'll fight you on the internet. Bring them on. Come on. The three things I think, or that I'm going to change on every bike, and I think you should also change on your bikes, because I believe the bike should be set to you. Everything you do on a motorcycle is dangerous. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like you're sitting in a car where you can get in any single car and drive it and be perfectly fine, comfortable, and whatever. Just adjust where the seat is, right? I think, again, my opinion, you should change things on the motorcycles that you own to make them customized to you, make them comfortable for you, because there's very little connecting you to this machine. You know, there's not much on there, right? So we're gonna start with one, the honorable mention, and this is just because they suck, and that's the stock mirrors, right? Everyone knows those things are horrible. All you end up seeing is your shoulders. Absolutely horrible. Hate them. I like bar ends because it keeps you out of the way. Your hand has motion. I put them down, and I have two of them so I can set them for different angles and see everything. I like bar ends. That's my like honorable mention. Get rid of the stock mirrors. They suck. They're horrible. Stupid. Right? I saw, and this kind of is funny, right? I saw something the other day. I think it was a TikTok, whatever. Somebody was being like, now, number one, change those levers. Stock levers suck. Now, granted, this is again opinion, because I only ever shift with two fingers and brake with one or two. So like the stock levers these are shorter. The stock levers, if you do this with two fingers, it ends up crushing these two, like your ring and your pointer finger, which is really annoying every time to having to use your whole hand to shift, or else your fingers just get crushed. Absolutely hate it. Brake lever, I only ever use one or two, and they're adjustable. So like this is a different length farther out than this one because I don't need it to be, or they are set where I like them, right? Comfortability, customized to where my hands are comfortable, where I like them. On the same line of things, you can't really see them, but down there I have some adjustable rear sets, which is the same thing. They're a little bit taller than the stock lines, than the stock ones, but again, they're customizable. You can change where the shifter is, you can change where the brake lever is to where is comfortable to you, so where you like it. And that's the whole main thing here, right? Change things on your bike to make them fit to you better. Because obviously, bikes are made to fit the masses. All the levers, all the rear sets, everything on this is set for the masses. The millions and millions and millions of units that they sell every single year, they're not made specifically for, if you're 6'2" or 6'1" or 7 foot, or if you're 5'5", right? They're set for the average. So I think you should change things to make them comfortable for you, to where you want them. Now, number three is comfortability, whatever, but also I just think they're really, really, really nice. I've had them on the last bike, had them on this bike, and as you can see right here, they are Livefreemoto steel braided brake lines. Now, it doesn't need to be that company. I just happen to have them on the first one and on these ones, and I really like their quality. I don't know, the company. So it's just so nice to to have braided brake lines. Do they change all that much? Not really. But that extra little bit of feel while you're braking is a very nice thing, especially if you're spirited. if you're going only the speed limit, quickly. You know what I'm saying? The words that I'm insinuating, allegedly. It's just really nice to have, you know, that extra bit of feel and be comfortable on the bike, which works really well with the adjustable lever to have it where you want it. You can pull just a little bit and full braking, you know. Front and back. This bike has technically had 2 rear brake lines because I'm a moron, and yeah, there's ordered them before I put the rear sets on. Then the rear sets change how the slave cylinder sits, and yeah, it's a whole story. But just pure on making the bike fit you comfortably and, you know, be yours. I think those are 3 things I'm always going to do. Maybe just me. Well, 3, and the honorable mention of the horrible stock mirrors. I don't even know. I took those off and threw them away. Gone. I'm not even going to try and sell those to somebody. I'm not going to put that bad juju on. But, said comment down below. If you think I'm wrong, if there's something else that you do to every single bike that you own, or, you know, if you have a differing opinion, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I do very much appreciate it. And with that, see you later. Peace.